In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. While testing this device, I discovered that you don't have to enter Google section. You can tap on Passwords and Accounts and then hit Open under Google to access your manager much faster. So click on it here. Click on any password you wanna check and enter your current login method. Then use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!